How to fix I cannot send messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Report a Problem under the Support and About tab. Tap on that. Scroll down again and tap on the Chat with Us option, and now in the text box that appears, go ahead and mention your problem. Make sure to be very informative and descriptive while typing in your issue for better and quicker responses from the support team. Wait for the reply from support team and further follow the instructions provided accordingly. The issue might vary depending on different accounts. Some might be due to account age, which means if your TikTok account is new or you are under a certain age, TikTok may limit messaging features. Users under 16 typically have messaging disabled by default for privacy reasons, while some might be due to account suspension or restrictions. Check if your account has any violations, such as community guideline strikes, which could temporarily limit your ability to send messages. See if your problem is solved or not. If not, go back to settings and tap on privacy option under the account tab. Here under interactions, tap on the direct message option and then tap on the allow direct messages from option and make sure the everyone option is selected. Also, make sure that your TikTok app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly, and if not, then go ahead and update your app further. So, this is how you can fix I cannot send messages on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.